Hey, this is my chill out zone where I take my dog. Here he comes. It's so gorgeous here and I just really love just chilling out here and not thinking about any bullshit. It's where I find neat things like strap-ons and beer cans. There's always a wild party in here. I'm on some kind of man-made bridge right now. It's really unstable, but I'm just gonna roll with it. If I fall in, it's meant to be. And it's really hot out anyway, so probably cool myself off a bit. Okay, Max, let's keep going. You have enough? I had enough of this. Let's see what else we can find. Come on, honey, let's go. I'm not too sure where I'm going right now, but that's cool. What can happen? I got a 115-pound Rottweiler by my side. Not much. He's my loaded gun. I've never been this way. So, you know what? Let's just keep going. We're kind of by the highway now. Ooh, there's a butterfly. There's been a huge migration of butterflies in southwestern Ontario right now. I apologize for the really horrible videography. A bit shaky. Okay, where's my dog? Max, where are you? Looks like there's some tracks in here, like a 4x4 or something. Someone's been off-roading. Oh, really? Where's my dog? I hear you, but I don't see you. There you are. What are you doing, handsome? Holy smokes, there's a whole new trail. I don't even know what time it is. Who cares? I have nowhere to go. Is it safe to go? What do you think? Can we keep going? The boss says yes, so we're gonna keep trucking. That's the highway, so I know where I am. I don't really think we're supposed to be over here. It's fenced off. Whatever. Oh, he's way up and gone because he knows that we're in new surroundings and I don't know where I am. So it's just cool to, you know, leave me by myself. I've seen Xena. I could do this. Max! Hey! Stop! Alright, he's listening. A little authority in my voice there. Not much. Who am I kidding? Let's keep going. It didn't work. Okay, really, you have to stop. Because I don't know where I am. Yeah, just chill out. It's embarrassing. He's not listening to me. Yeah. Walk over, mommy. Okay, I'm kind of pissed. He didn't wait. Ooh, nice. Okay. What's he doing? What are you doing? Just wait, man. Sit. Come on, you're on camera. Obey my commands. Just sit. For God's sakes, man, sit. No, nothing. Nothing. Jesus fucking Christ. All right. Hey, Max. Hey. Sit. Sit. Yeah, now you're listening. Look, man, I have no idea where I am. You can't just take off. It's not cool. You want to keep going? All right, let's keep going. I bet you any money that we are on no trespassing area. So what? Ooh, there's a trillion. Yeah, no clue where I am. No clue. All I know is that I'm by the highway. I kind of know how to get back. I've never been this way for real. So whatever happens, happens. It doesn't get dark till 9 usually now anyway. I know a lot of people go hunting in here. Just don't shoot me. You could tie me up, but you can't shoot me. Ooh. Come on, let's go check out what's over here. Come on. We are in a clearing, kind of, almost. In a farmer's field. It's gonna fucking take us forever to walk back. Shit. Why did I walk out here? Hey, what do you say that we head back? Or not? Still not listening. This is really humiliating. I can't even control my own dog. Unreal. Unreal, he's turning his back on me. Huh. Come on over here for a second. I need to talk to you. Hey. No, he won't even come over here. Max. Do I have to bribe you with Timbits? I didn't want to go this way. Why does it have to be like this? Why can't you just listen to me? Do I have to put you on a leash? Like a dog? Or are you gonna listen to me like a baby? Let's go. What do you have on your head? I heard some kind of bell. I think I'm in shit. Hey, come on, let's go. I don't want to walk all over this man's property. I kind of do because I want to explore, but kind of don't want to get a find. So I think I'm going to head back and get back on track on the trail and see you later. Thanks for walking with me and my boy. He didn't really walk with me, but you did. So, thanks for that. Oh, now you're walking. What the hell's on your head? Okay, cool. Alright. Later.